is Saturday and I was up at 6:30 this morning, straight out the door to the gym. This is something I do every Saturday, but in the last couple of weeks I've decided to do it proper early because actually turns out no one starts before 8:15, so it's usually empty. Look, empty gym, this is amazing. Right, here's the walk home, which I always like to do after the gym. It's nice and relaxing. The back is, of course, hit the punch bag, and then it's the moment you've all been waiting for. It's the sexy bath scene. I'm joking, as we're going to end this with some nice music from a Croatian musician, Dario Plevnik. He accompanied me during the bath.